Hey there, what do you see?
Earth! It's breathtaking from Mars!
Right? Imagine more people experiencing this. Let's do it. This is incredible.
We need to send out a signal and invite them here. It would be special.
So as you can see in this video, I'm going to show you how to do animation with the free AI tools for a short period of time. First, we need to head over to ChatGPT to create our script, or you can create your own. So as you can see, it's running through a 20-second script. And after we're done with the script, we want to head over to 11labs.io. And this is where this fun starts, when we start creating the voices for the script. Here you can sign up, or I'm going to use my own account. Then we click OK. Then we start to head over to speech, go to voices, go to voice lab. And here we want to click on generate, go to voice design. Here we have gender, age, accent. Then we go back to ChatGPT and we start building our script from there. For first scene will be the woman speaking. So we take her first line, copy it, and we place it into the below prompt. And then after we're done with that first prompt, we'll go back and go to the next set of words that this woman will be saying. After the man's astronaut, we'll go to woman astronaut, and then we click on copy, and then we paste it right into 11 Labs again. And here we're just starting to build the dialogue. I'm going to change this gender to female, middle-aged, and give it an accent. And we could control the strength of the accent here, as you can see. I'll go a little bit higher, and once we're done, we click on generate. It's not long enough here, but I'll just go ahead and create a few more words to build the dialogue. And once we're done here, we click on download. It'll go down to your desktop, or in this case, I'll keep it in my download folder. And then I'll go ahead and create the male version of the script, middle-aged. And once rinse and repeat, we just go ahead and take the first line, and then we copy it and paste it and build our dialogue between the two actors. And as you can see, I'm just copying and pasting it from ChatGPT, putting it into 11 Labs, and now we have two downloads that we created that we will now animate the audio for free using Adobe Express. We'll sign up, or if you could just start there. It's a free software. I'll continue with my own login, and once we're done there, we go ahead and start. Now, by hitting start, you'll get the application and opened, and you can see there's such a variety of choices you have here for character that it's just simply amazing. The size that I picked is 16:9, which is landscape, and also for YouTube, but there's such a variety of choices here, it's unbelievable. Now I'm going to customize this astronaut on Mars. I'm also going to pick both my characters. Once we're done with picking the characters, you go to browse, and basically we look for the audio that we want each of the astronauts to say. And here we go. Let's go ahead and give it a test.
Earth! It's breathtaking from Mars! We need to send out a signal and invite them here. It would be special.
Now that looks pretty good to me. Now once we've created the male actor, now we're going to do the female character. Now this is also a part of the video where it gets a little tricky, because using the female character, I'm going to customize the background color and transparent. The reason I'm doing that is you'll see later in the video. I think most of you know where I'm going with this, and that's because it's basically a green screen. That's what I'm going to be removing. I'm going to create this custom and make the color green. So when I do the edits later, I'll just remove the green and use her on the background that I plan on using. Finally, browse and grab the dialogue from the woman astronaut, and then we'll go ahead and use the editing software. In this case, I'll be using CapCut. So the completion is near as we use our editing software to bring it all together. And if you love editing like I do, this is basically going to be the very fun part of the process here. We get into CapCut and we go into Home, and we start dragging our assets onto the timeline. I have the green screen and the male version with a background, but I'm not going to show that in this case, in this video, because I'm going to remove both characters and have them have a green screen. So in this case, what we need to do is select the green color as a chroma key and use the color picker to remove the green, and then we can control the intensity and the shadow effect here and to remove the green. Now we have two characters with green screens.
Earth, it's breathtaking from Mars.
Hey there, what do you see, right? Imagine.
So to reiterate, we have two characters now, not just one with a green screen we need to remove and one background. So here,
Hey there, what do you
it's
see, right?
breathtaking from
Imagine
Mars.
more people.
it's a bit of a mess because we're playing both of them at the same time, and that's where the magic of editing
Hey there,
comes into
what do you
play
see?
here. We'll start
What do you
separating
see?
the tracks
Earth, it's
and
breathtaking from Mars.
removing the male and the female version, and start placing our edits in the proper places. We obviously don't want them talking at the same time, so what I'm going to be doing here is looking for parts of the edits where the male has his mouth closed, so he's not talking every time, and then we cut that, and I'll move that over to the side. So now we have the male with his mouth closed, and now we're going to find a piece where the female astronaut
There, what do you see?
will not be talking, and then we just rinse and repeat. So here I'm looking for a moment in the clip where
Right?
the female's
Imagine more
mouth
people
is not moving.
experiencing this. Let's do it. This is incredible.
It's just going to be coming up soon. And once we find that piece, we'll edit that. Here we go. And move that over to the side. And that way we have two clips where the male and female are not speaking. And here is the beauty of editing. We'll just piece them all together,
Hey there, what do you see?
and we'll be complete with our project. So this is going to be part of the video where I'm probably going to skip forward, but I'll just show you a little bit of my editing process. We have male speaking and then stopping, and then the female speaks, and then
Hey
she
there,
stops
what do you see?
talking. So there's both not talking at the same time, and it looks awkward. It's just more for clarity and continuity. And then
See.
you'll see that I'm starting to put
Hey there, what do you
piece them
see?
together, and the final product will be showing up very shortly. So here I'm just cutting and
It's breathtaking.
pasting the talking,
do you see?
The mouth moving and not moving for the male, and then I'm going to be doing that
Hey there,
for
what do you
the
see?
Earth,
female.
it's breathtaking from Mars.
So I'll just go ahead and start editing, and then I'll show you the final product, and we are complete. Here I'm cutting and pasting the male not talking, and then I'll be doing the same for the female. So there's going to be a lot of edits here, and that's because we don't want them talking over each other. And you'll see the final product coming up very shortly. I hope you enjoyed this video.
Hey there,
Please don't
what do you
forget
see?
to like and
Earth,
subscribe,
it's
and I'll see you in the next video.
It's breathtaking from Mars.
You see? Hey there, what do you see?
Earth, it's breathtaking from Mars.
Hey there, what do you see?
Earth, it's breathtaking from Mars.
Right? Imagine more people experiencing this. Let's do it. This is incredible.
We need to send out a signal and invite them here. It would be special.